What's up, guys? Today we're going to be changing out the headlights on the Silverado. I currently have these smoked out ones, but I got some with black inserts. So yeah, we're about to change these out. Only got 2 bolts. So yeah, let's get it. Just these 2 bolts and it's just slide right out. I forgot we have to take off this cover right here and the grill to take off the headlights. I removed the cover and the grill, so now these headlights should just slide out. Just take the lights off and install them on the new one. Once you have them in, just install your 2 bolts on top here. Another one right here. Once you got them slid in, just install your bolts. Once you install your 2 bolts, you can take off your plastic. See how your lights look. Oh, it looks way better. It looks way better. Gives the truck a whole new look. Now to do the other side. It's the difference between my old headlights and my new headlights. These started yellow a bit, my old ones. These are my new ones. Just looks way cleaner. Huge difference. That's how it looks with both of them installed. Looks so much better. Engine bay. My engine bay needs a wash. It's really bad. Both headlights are installed. I think it gives the truck a cleaner look. Looks way better.